It's trying to reconnect it. It's not.
It's live. See,
Okay.
it says live.
Okay, well, it reconnected me.
So today we're working on turning these into these. So I'm just going to get a little bit of video of this. I ain't going to go through the whole process because the whole process is about 20, 30 minutes. Basically, at this point, I'm going to offset this side.
I don't know if you guys can hear the music in the background, but we don't on the rights. Okay, he's pulling the heel out. You didn't hear him say that.
Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 times to get that heel pulled all the way down.
Now, Henry, what kind of steel are you using today?
It's W1 tool steel.
All right.
Basically, that's what I was wanting to pull down that heel.
What are you doing right now, Henry?
So what I'm doing right now is these are standoffs that keep the press from closing all the way. So these are 3/16 inch. So they stop and you got exactly 3/16 inches. So the initial press is 1/4 inch, then I go to the 3/16 to kind of take some of the hammer marks out.
Switch places, you know?
Now basically we'll straighten the spine out.
Okay.
Straighten that up.
Yep. So they straighten the spine out a little. Now it looks like he's trying to work the tip in.
That 3/16 thick, it don't stay hot for long.
For those who don't know, how hot's that fork get?
That right there is probably 2300 degrees.
Nice and
In the
toasty.
center. More stores are open, so it's cooler towards this end.
Mr. Mike with Texas Knife Steel joined us. Hi, Mr. Mike. Texas Knife Steel joined.
Oh, did he?
Had to say it a little louder. Henry's getting hard of hearing these days.
Pretty much. Now we're going to get some of our hammer marks out.
I didn't hear him. He's trying to get some of them deeper hammer marks out and smooth it out. Back in the forge we go. Now, for those of you who have not been to the shop, we do carry a nice selection of steel from Texas Knife Steel. So if you guys are needing any supplies, let us know. Get back over here and let Henry finish up some.
Basically, all I'm doing now is refining the shape of that blade.
Alright, he's just refining it right now, in case you didn't hear that. I don't know how well the speaker's picking up, so I'm going to try to reiterate everything. What you fixing to put in there?
Putting in 3/8 inch to start pulling out the tank. And I call them standoffs, or just basically blocks of 1 inch square tube and 3/16 long. That's the first step in pulling out the tank. Thing is getting on them drawing dies and just kind of making sure it's round as you're drawing it out. Next thing I'll do is go on the flat dies and kind of clean it all up. Do is hot cook that tang off, work that tang out a little bit. Now we're just going to put it in there, heat it up, get everything lined up and straightened up, and we'll be done with this step.
much more lithium, we're going to have to take dancing lessons.
So after I get all of it straightened up, this will go on chop saw and block of wood the way Ray Kirk does it. I'll give it a twist, cut these shoulders pretty straight, and then we'll grind that down and lathe all this to about a 7/16.
Alright. Here, show it on the cement, because the angle I got, I'm not getting it good. There we go.
Better?
Yep, much better. The lighting is different that way.
Offset in it. Offset that blade. Show you guys what I'm talking about before it gets completely heated up. See how it's a little offset on the blade? I'll heat this back up, put it in the vise, and set that over.
Take a step back from there, that gets nice and toasty warm. See, the blade's actually more centered. Now I got to tweak the tang on it. Yeah, that'll work. Just so you guys know, this is not my forte. I usually do full tang stuff and not very many integrals because I'm not very good at it. So he's getting better. Practice makes perfect.
Well, let's modify that to perfect practice makes perfect.
Got a couple little wiggles in it. So what are you going to do about it?
Put it back in here, heat it back up, straighten it out in my vise.
Alright.
The Jason Knight way of doing it. So we have the Oklahoma shop tour, Oklahoma Knife Group shop tour here, October 18th. I'm doing the integral demo for the shop tour, so that's what I'm practicing up for.
In case you guys hadn't seen it on his page, check it out on his page. Everybody's invited. It's open to the public. They do have an event page for it, so they're trying to get everyone to go to the event page and let us know if you're coming or not.
And that gets everything straightened up. Now, the last step in this part, I don't worry about the blade itself, but I want this tang good and soft. We're going to heat heat that tang up. We're going to put in a bucket of vermiculite and let it completely anneal out.
Okay. Bucket of vermiculite. Those of you who didn't know what it was. Just goes nice and easy in there.
It'll take that probably 4 or 5 hours to cool down and anneal. So
We're going to end the video here. You got any add-ons?
that's about it. If you guys have any questions, message us or comment on the post.
Thank you guys.